Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gardening is not very difficult. It involves preparing the soil, planting vegetables or flowers, and paying attention to the garden. Many people make gardening their hobby, and it is also good form of exercise. The first step is gardening is the preparation of the soil. If the soil is not good, the garden will not flourish. Dig the surface of the earth, then mix the topsoil with manure and water. If you are planning a vegetable garden, prepare heads for different vegetables you hope to plant. However, flowers do not need heads. In the other way, the vegetables or flowers that you will plant are often young plants in a waterproof bag. Dig a small hole, place the small plants along with the soil into the ground and cover with the mixed soil. Water. Water the new plant. After planting, you should pay close attention to your garden. This involves removing the weeds, removing dead leaves around the plants, and watering the garden often. And gardening makes one happy when one is tried to studying, staying indoors. Gardening gives one the opportunity to make light work or out moving around in the garden is also kind of exercise for the body. A garden is also beneficial as it provides people with soil and vegetables. In the other hand, gardening is a good and preferable uh, gardening hobby because I also adopt it. Surrounding by the beds of flowers is a smaller lawn with the soft velvety green grass. I am very fond of this lawn and take pride in the maintaining it trim, tidy and neat. In the evening, we sit in the lawn and talk, chat, and discuss several things. I have grown fruits and trees yield fruits, but most of them are still young when